analyst.
Financial analyst. Okay. How did this real estate business interest you?
Because it's in my domain.
Oh, and you would like to become a real estate person. You would like to
Investor. Yeah.
you would like to do business. Okay. That's the interest. Okay. How is the market for your financial market? How is it?
Sorry.
You are a financial analyst, isn't it?
Yeah, right.
Yeah. How is that market going on? Is it fine during this pandemic and all that?
Yeah, it's going fine.
Okay.
As we all know, the US stock is making.
What exactly you do in that? What is the nature of role, the business that you are doing?
Actually, my family background of business, they are in the textile business.
Okay.
Yeah. We manufacture jackets.
Okay. So you are also taking care of that, so that business?
Yeah, I'm also involved in that.
I see. Okay. That's very nice. So there is another gentleman who has joined, but he is not connected with audio.
Yeah, it's showing up.
It's showing up, but he's not connected with audio. I don't know how half the people don't even understand that they should connect with the audio and come. They don't connect that, and then they leave. After that, they won't be able to hear me what I'm talking and all that. They'll be thinking only that motion is happening, and then they leave. I've seen many people still not getting into the groove of digital marketing experience. Yeah. We will start.
Yes, sir. This side Ravinder Singh.
Yeah. So what do you do, Ravinder Singh?
Sir, I am working in airport.
Air Force.
Airport.
Okay. Airport. Me, you are working. Yes. Okay. So what do you do? What is the nature of work?
Passenger services.
Yeah, passenger services.
Yes.
अच्छा. That means वो क्या होता है कि will you be attending to people who are coming to the counter and you give them tickets, or is it something else?
Yeah, we will issue the boarding pass.
Boarding pass. You issue the boarding pass?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you come across a lot of people?
Yes, sir.
That is very interesting. So all different type of people and all that. So how is that you got into this real estate, interest? How did that come to you?
Hello.
Real estate. Real estate. How it came? Interest.
हेलो हाँ सर, मेरी आवाज आ रही?
हाँ, यस
संतोष बात कर रहा हूँ।
हाँ, अभी संतोष आपका आवाज आ रहा है अभी। हाँ, तो नहीं, मैंने आपसे ये पूछ रहा था रविंदर सिंह जी, आपको रियल एस्टेट में कैसे इंटरेस्ट आया? हाउ डिड यू गेट इंटरेस्टेड इन दिस?
प्रॉब्लम चल रही है क्योंकि सभी ये कोविड की वजह से पेंडेमिक।
अच्छा, तो एक मिनट, सबको म्यूट करता हूँ, आपको अनम्यूट कर देता हूँ। हाँ, रविंद्र सिंह, आप अनम्यूट करके बात कर लीजिए बस। यू कैन अनम्यूट एंड देन स्पीक। तो कोविड का प्रॉब्लम चल रहा है, तो आपने सोचा कि ठीक है, अगर मुझे रियल एस्टेट में कुछ ऑफर अच्छा है तो देख लेंगे, है कि नहीं? अपॉर्चुनिटी है तो करेंगे। राइट, वेरी गुड।
नॉलेज गेन करने के लिए कि भाई किस तरीके से मैं आगे तो ले जा सकता हूँ इस चीज को ना।
अच्छा। तो संतोष जी, आपका कैसे हुआ ये रियल एस्टेट बिजनेस में इंटरेस्ट? आप हैं रियल एस्टेट इंडस्ट्री में? अनम्यूट करके बात कर लीजिए, अनम्यूट कीजिए और बात कीजिए। हाँ, नहीं, फिर क्या आपको अनम्यूट करना है, आपको अनम्यूट करना है।
अच्छा, हो गया।
बोलिए।
जी, मैं इस फील्ड में पहले से हूँ सर।
पहले से हैं? अच्छा अच्छा, वेरी गुड।
जी,
कितने
क्योंकि
साल?
मैं लीगल डिपार्टमेंट का जो काम रहता है वो करता हूँ अभी इधर।
अच्छा, तो
तो इससे
मार्केटिंग में नहीं है वो, रियल एस्टेट मार्केटिंग में नहीं
मार्केटिंग नहीं है,
है? हाँ
लेकिन उसकी मालूमात मुझे बहुत सारी, 20 साल हुए मैं इस फील्ड में वर्क कर रहा हूँ सर।
हम्म। तो
तो
सबका
इससे
सबका सबका आप देख रहे हो कि कितने कमा रहे हैं वो
हाँ,
सब, लेकिन आप वो उसमें क्यों नहीं गया, फिर मार्केटिंग में क्यों नहीं गया?
नहीं ये मार्केटिंग में इसलिए नहीं गया
हाँ।
कि ये जो मैं कोर्ट काम में ज्यादा इंटरेस्ट रखता हूँ।
अच्छा।
वो जो लिखा पढ़ी रहती है इसकी
हाँ।
लीगली, वो
हम्म।
मैं काम करता हूँ।
अच्छा।
रजिस्ट्रेशन का,
हाँ।
वो 712 एक्स्ट्रा सब उसका,
अच्छा।
जिसके वो परमिशन रहते हैं वो निकालने का,
हम्म।
वो मालूम है। डॉक्यूमेंट्री जो है वो सब मुझे मालूम है।
अच्छा, अब रियल एस्टेट में क्या करना चाहते हो आप?
अब रियल एस्टेट में ऐसा करना चाहता हूँ मैं
हम्म।
कि कोई स्कीम अच्छा हो तो
हम्म।
उसका लॉन्चिंग करना चाहता हूँ।
अच्छा, तो प्रोजेक्ट लेके मतलब किसी के साथ जोड़ के करना चाहते हो या इंडिपेंडेंटली करना चाहते हो?
इंडिपेंडेंट ज्वाइनिंग शेयर में हो तो भी चलेगा।
तो साथ साथ मिलके भी काम कर सकते हैं।
चलेगा हाँ।
अच्छा, तो आप उसके लिए तैयार हो? गुड,
जी।
वेरी नाइस। फिर हम बात करेंगे किरण गौड़ से। किरण गौड़ जी, किरण गौड़, प्रमोद प्रमोद महामना, देन देर इज वन रेडमी, सागर शर्मा, साहित्य वर्मा, साजन, सैमसंग गैलेक्सी S7 एज। उसका नाम चेंज करने के लिए कोशिश कीजिए। ऑल दैट यू हैव टू डू इज गो टू योर जूम, वहां पार्टिसिपेंट्स रहेगा, पार्टिसिपेंट्स क्लिक कीजिए, राइट में टॉप में आपका नाम रहेगा, उसको चेंज करना पड़ेगा। सैमसंग गैलेक्सी दिखेगा, उसको आपका नाम डालना पड़ेगा, चेंज करना पड़ेगा। दैट्स ऑल, वेरी सिंपल कीजिए, अदरवाइज आई विल बी कॉलिंग यू एज सैमसंग सैमसंग एंड ऑल दैट। अच्छा नहीं लगेगा ना आपका, कितना कितना अच्छा नाम है, होगा शायद। सो प्लीज चेंज योर नेम। कृष्णमूर्ति, कृष्ण मुरारी गुप्ता, Krishna Murari Gupta, very nice name, Krishna Murari Gupta. Krishna is already Lord Krishna hai. Murari is also Krishna. Then there is Gupta added to that. So we'll wait for some more time, just about 2-3 minutes we'll wait and then we'll start. Okay? Let people join because we've got huge registrations. बहुत सारे registrations हुए हैं. So let some decent number come and then we will start. Some 30-35 people, if they come, we will start. Okay, we are already at 25 now.
Yeah.
Yeah. So Vinay Singh, Sharad, Sajan, Sahitya Verma, anybody can open up and speak. Just introduce yourself, say what you're doing, you know, what is that interested you to come and attend this program. So what is your plan? How was your last 4 months? All that you can discuss. I'm giving you an opportunity because once I start talking, then after that you will be silent for some time. So tab tak you can speak. This is the forum to open up and speak.
Hello.
I like interaction. Sharad ji, yes. Yes, Sharad.
Yeah. Sir, my name is Sharad.
Huh.
Actually, I want to do this business, real estate business.
Mm-hmm.
But the problem is, in the last few years, there are so many scams
Mm.
in Noida and Gurgaon,
Mm-hmm.
and we are frustrated with this industry.
Mm.
And now the RERA is come, but we are
Mm.
not sure whether RERA will can do something like पहले CREDAI था, CREDAI,
Mm-hmm.
but still there are so many projects जो dump पड़े हुए हैं.
Mm-hmm.
उसके वजह से प्रॉब्लम क्या होती है, हमारी कमीशन रुक जाती हैं, प्लस जो हमारे कस्टमर्स हैं, जो क्लाइंट्स हैं, वो सब खराब हो जाते हैं.
Mm.
एक और प्रॉब्लम आता है कि कल को आप जेल ना चले जाओ, ये ना हो जाओ.
Mm.
There are so many problems in this industry. This industry is good, but the main problem is the functionality of this industry is very bad.
Okay. I have an answer for this. You
So
name any, you
this is
name
the
any,
main problem. This is the main problem.
yeah, then I have,
This industry is very good. Like I'm related to insurance industry,
hmm,
where we do 10 calls in insurance. Here in real estate, we do only one call and we get the client.
absolutely right. So
But
now let me
अगर
answer.
आप ये सिनेरियो बाहर से देखते हो इंडिया और अगर आप बाहर कंपेयर करते हैं तो बाहर चीजें बहुत अच्छी हैं.
Hmm.
यहाँ सिर्फ फ्रॉड और कुछ नहीं है.
अच्छा, तो मैं इसका जवाब दे देता हूँ अभी कि क्या है कि देयर इज नो इंडस्ट्री which is free from all these kind of problems. You take banking industry, बैंक में आपने सुना नहीं क्या कि बैंक बंद करके सब सारे पैसे उठा के they just vanished, absconded and all that.
सर वो एक लिमिटेड है. यहाँ तो हर एक प्रोजेक्ट में प्रॉब्लम.
ऐसा नहीं है, ऐसा नहीं. I'm in the industry for the last 18 years.
बॉम्बे वगैरह की बात नहीं कर रहा. आप दिल्ली, नोएडा और गुड़गांव में देखो, आपके सामने ही है. देखो.
देखिए वो हर जगह पे सैंपल साइज तो हर इंडस्ट्री में होता है.
बट सर यहाँ ज्यादा है ना.
नहीं,
एटलीस्ट आरबीआई कंट्रोल तो कर लेता है ना.
ऐसा नहीं है. आपको लगता है कि आपको ज्यादा, बिकॉज वो ज्यादा आपने नेगेटिव देखा है. देखिए मैंने अभी कोरोना के बारे में अभी हर किसी ने बात कर रहा है. ओके, बट यू आस्क मी अबाउट कोरोना, आई नो नथिंग अबाउट कोरोना एक्सेप्टिंग दैट देयर इज समथिंग which is a pandemic. It has created some havoc because I have not given attention to that corona at all. Because if I start thinking about corona, if I start switching on the TV and then listen to the news, I will only listen how many cases have happened yesterday, how many deaths have happened. This is what is going to keep coming. Why do I have to listen to all this nonsense? I have better business to do. So it is better that you see, corona has affected some people and has created some people, given a lot of good wealth to some people also, right? This is the fact of the life. In any industry, all the negative things will be there. Banking industry में है, marriage industry में है, you matrimonial में वो सब. Plus हर industry में you take apparel industry, it is there. You take stock market, it is there. Stock market में Harshad Mehta, you know that about Harshad Mehta, what happened during that period. So it is there in every single industry. This kind of fraudulent act, all those things are there. But we need to be careful. We need to be smart enough. We need to be good enough in finding out the right people and deal with them. That's it. It's the moment you know that okay, ये ठीक नहीं. इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि इंडस्ट्री खराब है. इंडस्ट्री खराब नहीं है. इंडस्ट्री तो बहुत बढ़िया है. बट उन लोगों, कुछ लोग ऐसे हैं कि उनके साथ हम डीलिंग नहीं करना चाहिए. बस that's all. In my training and all this, I keep telling my people that do not get into any litigated property, do not get into unapproved property, do not get into under construction property where RERA is not registered, RERA is not there. Okay, do not get into all these things. I keep very, very clear instructions. There are many people who approach us. I have Remax has got a huge team. They keep coming to us and saying that sell my property and all that. We have certain credentials to check whether they are really good people or not, and only then we move forward. Okay, so don't worry about all that. In this industry, there are plenty of positive factors which are there, which we should look into and see how we can be successful in this industry. Okay, so I am going to talk about how we can be successful, how each one of you who are participating in this program can be successful. Okay, that is my agenda. I will stick to that agenda. All right.
Just to add to that, Sridharji, the glass can be seen as half empty or half full.
Yes, correct.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning. He is Mr. Rakesh Kullar. He is from Noida. He is our business owner in Noida. I am from Bangalore. I have got another partner here, Mr. Anurudh Jalan. He is from Calcutta. We three are the business owners of Remax India. And anyway, each one of us will be introducing ourselves later on, at later part of the day. But as of now, let me begin. We have got a decent number of about 41 people now. So let me start. Okay, what is the agenda and all those things, I'll tell you. Fine, a very, 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 very warm welcome to all of you. It's been great that, we have currently about 41 people. I'm sure that in another about 10-15 minutes time, this number can go up to 60. And we have a registrations of close to around 150 people plus. between yesterday, day before yesterday and today and all that. And generally what happens is that when 100 people register, about 40 people or 45 people come and attend the webinar. Okay, we have seen this from experience. Since April, I have been doing this. And my name is Sridhar. I am the business owner of Remax Ace Reality located at Bangalore, Baswangudi. My partner, Mr. Rakesh Kullar, is there in Delhi, Noida. And Mr. Anurag Jalan, he is also a business owner of Calcutta office. Okay, Remax is a very large company. It has got about 8,000 offices, 1,35,000 agents are networked with this organization. Recently, especially after this pandemic erupted, I have taken a challenge and I have taken a mission. I'm working on a mission where I will create close to around 100,000 digital real estate experts in this country. This is my mission on which I'm working towards that. And towards this exercise, if I would say that in the last 2.5 months, what I have done is close to around 2,000 plus people have undergone my free training program. Okay, this is my 12th batch. This is my 12th program that I'm conducting in the last 3 months' time. So weekly once I'm doing this, and I will continue to do this as long as I achieve the mission of creating that many people, that many digital real estate experts. Okay, so with this objective in mind, I'm going to begin. I'm going to begin my program today. Okay, so as a first step, let me take a small poll to understand which profession are you from. Okay, I'm just launching this poll. Kindly answer this to understand how many people are from real estate industry, how many are from insurance, how many are working professionals, how many are from other industry. Please answer this. So there are 30 people who have answered this. Still, if I get about 5 or 6 more people answering this, I'll close this, launch. 5 more people who are still hesitating to answer another, please answer this. आप आंसर करो. सर्चिंग फॉर जॉब आप ऐसा कर सकते हैं, अदर्स में आप नहीं तो जो भी कर रहे थे पहले, if you are in that industry, you can put it there. Okay, so we have got now 34 out of 44 people have answered. 10 more have not answered. Just 2-3 people more take interest and then answer this. Participate in the program. Okay, so now it's okay if 35 people have answered, it's good enough. 80% of the people have answered. Fine, they voted. Now I'm going to show you the results. So I have the result here. We have got 7%, that is 20% of this group is from the real estate industry. And very surprisingly, we have got rest of the percentage of people are from other than real estate industry. Okay. So this, have I not shared the result? Okay, I'm going to share the result now. So can you all see this? 20% from real estate, they are there, and we have got 14 plus 31 plus 34. That's about 65 plus 75, 79. 80% of these people in this group are not from real estate industry. So this is really interesting for me, because I'm now going to change the theme of this program itself. Okay. By and large, if you see, I start with the program stating, when I look at the percentage of people who have come, I could see, I almost see about 60% or 50 and above percent will be from the real estate industry. And the balance people, who are all showing interest in real estate industry, but not from the real estate business. So since majority are from the real estate business, I used to start talking to them about why 85% of the real estate agents are failing in this business. Okay. Now, if I talk about 85% of the people, why they are failing, it makes no relevance. It is not going to be of any use to this group, because you may not be interested in knowing why these people are failing. Now, let me say, you will be more interested in understanding and listening to how I can get into this industry and see success. Okay, that could be your objective and expectation. Am I correct in my understanding? If you say yes, then I will proceed in this line without touching the subject as to why 85% of the people have failed. So, do you agree with me? Can I touch the subject on what is that? Yeah, Honey says yes. Honey is a good name. Your name is Honey, or it is something else? Abdul Kalam says yes. Only 2 people are saying yes. Rest of the people are not saying anything. Boss, you need to participate. Yeah, it has to be an interactive session.
Galaxy.
Hello. So can you all answer? Yes. But we will also be interested in knowing causes of failure. Achha.
Yes.
That is also good. Causes of failure. Achha. Then in that case, you tell me, 85% of the people who have failed, I wanted to say that. Now, if, how many of you are really interested to know why 85% of people have failed? So can I take a poll on that? I'll see a lot of yes, then I will touch that subject. Because for me, it is very simple. It has to come from my mind. It is already there. I know what is the reason behind that. But if the new people are interested to know about that, then I will talk. Otherwise, what I will do is I will touch on the subject where new people, why they should get into real estate industry and do the business. Why you should be in the 15% bracket to do the business. Which is more interesting to you?
I suggest you do a bit of both so that everyone can be satisfied.
All right, there's a mixture of response from these people. Good, fine. We got about now 53 people. Okay, so I'm glad that the numbers are increasing. From AB to everyone, he says he wants both. Okay, sir. Now I'm going to mute everyone, and you will not have the option of unmuting, so that there's absolute no disturbance, and I will touch on the subject why 85% of the people are failing in this business. Okay, let me share the screen. Let me pull out my mind map. Okay, I'll give you a quick, quick update on what you're going to learn in this 2-day program. It's a 2-day, today and tomorrow. Okay, we will understand as to why 85% agents fail, when and how you should do real estate business. So it will be very interesting for people who are planning to get into real estate business to understand whether you are really ready, or how, when you should get into real estate business. Then I'll be touching on how to become a digital real estate expert. Because now the world is changing, the consumer behavior is changing. They are all wanting to see sites online, and then they shortlist the project. After that, they will visit, and then finally they will take a decision. Earlier, it was not the scenario. Earlier, people were going, seeing 30, 40 flats, 30, 40 sites, and then deciding on any one to purchase. But now the situation is different. Everybody wants to sit at their comfort of the home and then want to have a look at the site options which are available and then decide. So I'm going to tell you that how you can become digital real estate expert. Then it will be very interesting for people whose ambition, whose income goal is about 10 lakhs. For those people, I will be talking about how you can earn 10 to 50 lakhs in the next 12 months time. 10 to 12 months time, like 12 months time, how you can earn 10 to 50 lakhs. Then how I can help you achieve this number, how we can work together. This is how this 2-day program is being structured. Okay, now let me go deep into why these 85% real estate agents fail. Actually, it's not that the agents, the people are failing. It is not that they fail. It is that the people's plan, their planning fails. What they come out with is, they think that with about 1 or 2 properties in hand, they can do business in real estate. It is not possible. With 1 or 2 properties, if you come to real estate business and want to do business, then you are obviously going to fail. What does it mean? Why am I saying this? Now take one example of a Kirana shop. Let's say that you decide to open a Kirana shop. Just an example, discussion sake. You want to open a Kirana shop. You got only rice and wheat as the item, product that you have. You open the shop and then keep this full of rice, full of wheat you have. Okay. Then what you do? You will observe 3-4 buildings away, there is another Kirana shop which has got all the items that he wants to sell in the Kirana shop. Now customers, when they are coming to you, what is that they will do? When they see you with 2 items and they see another shop which has got all the items. What is the human psychology? What is the customer psychology? Where will they go? They will come to you or they will go to him. It is an obvious answer that they will go to him only because he has got all the items. They may require just about 1 kilo of rice. Even then they will not come to you, they will go there because the product choice is available. While they are buying that 1 kilo of rice, they will see what other products are available. Then they will purchase. Now I'll take another example. If you are going to any shop to purchase a t-shirt or any other item that you want to buy, when you go there and you see that the whole shop is empty, he has got about 10 pieces of shirt pieces, will you go and buy there? You will obviously not go there and buy. You will think that this man doesn't have collection. You may buy only 1 shirt, but still you expect about 1,000 shirts to be displayed there. Only then you will become. Okay. Barsal. Paper ask him to come out. Yeah, sorry, little thing. So naturally, you as an individual, as a consumer, you will not feel like buying a shirt where only 10 shirts are available. So when this is the kind of behavior you have, how can a buyer who is investing around 50 lakhs, 1 crore, 2 crores will come and buy your one product that you have in hand? So you need to obviously have maximum options available. What do you mean by maximum option available? So it differs from state to state, city to city and all that. I'll tell you for an example, in Delhi, in a place like Delhi, you should have minimum of 200 properties as your stock, inventories, minimum 200. Okay, in a place like maybe B category, people like, maybe Gurgaon, or you take Hubli in Karnataka, or you take Trichy in Tamil Nadu, or you take Vijayawada in Andhra Pradesh, okay, or you take Bhopal in Madhya Pradesh. So like this, you can take small cities, you should have at least about 75 to 100 properties in hand. So what does it mean? Are you going to go road by road and keep searching where are the properties available? And then once you get this stock, which will consume around 3 to 4 months of your time, only then you have to start the business? No, that's not what I'm saying. These 200 properties you can pull out from online within 2 days. In a matter of 2 days, you can pull out. These properties are all available in certain portals, okay, in online. So you need to pull up this stock and then keep it as an inventory. So am I saying, one more question may come to your mind. Am I saying that you should sell 200 properties? Not at all required. You don't have to sell 200 properties, but you need to have this stock. Okay, in a showroom, when all the sarees are available, it doesn't mean that he's going to sell all the sarees there. He might sell only a 10% or 20% of that sarees only, and the balance 80% of the stock will be there just like that without even getting sold. It doesn't matter. Okay, but you need to concentrate only on the 20% properties, which is going to be your cream of properties. What are these 20 properties that you should sell? You should think in your mind that if I had the money, will I buy this property? If I had the money, if you get convinced that this property is too good, and if I had the money, I would have purchased this. This kind of a feel should come to your mind. When it comes to you like that, then you can sell that property. And when you get this kind of thinking comes to your mind, it is 100% sure that you will be able to sell. What is the reason for that? Because you are convinced. You're so convinced about that property that when a customer comes and asks about the property with a lot of passion, you will be able to explain that. You will be able to explain because you wanted to buy. You wanted to buy and you are not buying, but somebody else is buying. No, so you will give all the plus points of this property, convince him, and the sales will happen just like that. Whereas in the industry, what people are doing currently is people have got into this business thinking that, okay, I have 2 properties in hand, I will come and do business. अरे एक property बेच दिया तो मुझे तो लाखों कमा सकते हैं. With this kind of thinking, they come. The thinking is right, but not with 1 or 2 properties. You should have stock. Excel sheet में आपके पास होना चाहिए वो सब सारे चीज 200 properties का, क्योंकि when buyer is calling you, buyer को बोल सकते हैं कि आप बेफिक्र रहिए, मेरे पास आ जाइए, मेरे पास कम से कम 20-30 प्रॉपर्टी ऑप्शंस है आपको दिखाने के लिए, मैं दिखा दूंगा आपको, डोंट वरी, यू कम. So you can boldly say that. Supposing you have only 1 or 2 properties in hand, what will you say? Sir, आइए सर, मेरे पास एक प्रॉपर्टी है, मैं दिखा देता हूं आपको. He will come, he will see the property because he wants option. He will see the property, but he will go and buy with somebody else. So then after that, what do? You start blaming the industry. अरे यार, लोग आते हैं, देखते हैं, जाते हैं, लेकिन डिसीजन नहीं लेते हैं. डिसीजन कैसे लेंगे? उनका पूरा जिंदगी का कमाई प्रॉपर्टी में डालने वाले हैं. ओके, जमा पूंजी जो भी है वो सारे चीज प्रॉपर्टी में डालने वाले हैं. अगले 20 साल के लिए वो कमिट करने वाले हैं अपने जिंदगी को. क्या? लोन रिपेमेंट के लिए. ठीक है. So then this is the major thing that is required. Do you think that he will come just because you have 1 property, he will say, okay, yaar, thank you very much for showing this property, I will buy it? Bilkul nahi hoga. Okay. So now there are people who will be thinking, who are there in the real estate industry, sir, मैं तो primary market में concentrate कर रहा हूँ. मैं खाली primary market में मतलब new property मैं business करने वाला हूँ. तो करो, result भी ऐसा ही आएगा आपको. Don't tell that you can do great business in that primary market alone. You must have the option of both. साड़ी बेचने वाले blouse piece भी बेचेगा, है कि नहीं? He will sell even petticoat. He will sell even blouse, right? Why? He doesn't have to. He can sell only sari and keep quiet, no? But he's keeping these items because that is also required. When you are in real estate business, you cannot have choice saying that I will do only this, I will do only that, and all that. And any exclusive showrooms in the country you see, any exclusive showrooms, okay, you will find if there's no option, especially the consumer related goods, it is very difficult to market, sell, and he cannot see great success in that. You can see probably reasonable success. A mobile shop, when you go, you would like to see Samsung also, though you want to decide to buy Apple only. Okay, you will buy iPhone, but still you would like to see Samsung. What is the new item that there? This is human psychology. So similarly, in real estate industry, you should have all these options available with you. then you can succeed. Then what else they do? They think that there is no investment required in this real estate business. कोई भी आके business कर सकते हैं इसमें, right? With that thinking, they come here. Another biggest mistake, biggest thinking that they have. Just imagine in this industry, if you want, I'm talking about, you can earn 10 lakhs, you can earn 50 lakhs, you can earn 1 crore. Okay. There are people who have earned 1 crore in our community. Consistently, not ek mahine. Even during this pandemic period, they have been able to consistently perform better. Right? How and why? Similarly, you can just look at the doctors, who can earn lakhs together, crores together and all that. Look at the difference between the two. The opportunity availability is for both same. A real estate agent can earn 1 crore. A doctor can earn 1 crore. Put these two people together and see, what does the doctor do? Doctor goes through 5 years of difficult study, 2 years of rigorous training under a doctor, senior doctor, and then he goes and opens his shop. After 7 years, after investing something close to around 30-40 lakhs of money, nowadays it is more than 50 lakhs, okay? So 30-40 lakhs of investment on studies, and then another 2 years of study under a senior doctor. After that only he puts up his shop. Then he waits for another about 1 year to start seeing the customer patients coming in, and then he will start minting money. Then he will start seeing big money. Right or wrong, what I'm saying? Now in the real estate agent, okay, he also can see crores together, money. How can he expect that business, that kind of business to happen to him within a year or two? How is it possible? Where is he invested time for learning? So what Universe has done is that real estate industry there is no proper education system available in India. But in US and other countries, there is a system available. You cannot become a real estate agent in US without passing an examination there. So there is an examination being conducted there. You should pass that examination. After that, you will be given license. Whereas in India, anybody can come and become a real estate agent. So what Universe has done? अच्छा इन लोगों को practically उनको थोड़ा difficulty दे देते हैं. Let them learn. Okay, गलती करने दो, थोड़ा नुकसान होने दो, क्योंकि ये सब investment है. जो नुकसान हो रहा है, जो गलती कर रहा है, ये सब all this is an investment for you to learn in the business. Then what happens if you are consistently making mistakes, learning from this industry? Then if you are there for about 2 to 3 years time, after that you will start seeing great success in that. This is for people who are not undergoing any proper training. So I'm not necessarily saying that if other people who are going through training, can they succeed better? Of course, yes, they can do better than those people, because training is required. And training from whom? Not from a professor who has got theoretical knowledge. वो theoretical knowledge बोलेगा, वो बोले square feet क्या है, square yards क्या है, right? And then acre कितना होता है. ये these are all technical knowledge which you will learn from a professor. So जो भी scratch किया ना, वो तो kindly remove that, please. On my screen, you have done something. Kindly remove that. Okay. So professor के पास नहीं जानेगा. You should learn from an industry expert who has got practical experience, who has seen success in this industry, and that person, if he is able to train you well, then he is the person for you who can become your mentor and guide to take you forward. So you need to work under that person. Okay, work under that person मतलब क्या है? Employee-employer relationship नहीं है. You can still be an entrepreneur, but you need training from an experienced person. Okay, you should be prepared for that. So people who come here into this business, they don't have these kind of thinking. They simply come without investment, they come and join. Okay, investment का मतलब क्या है? ये लोग भी अगर 30-40 लाख investment करना चाहिए क्या? No, not at all. I'm not saying that they should invest so much of money, but they should be mentally prepared that अगर 6 महीने मुझे income नहीं आया, तो अपना घर चलाने के लिए तो इतना तो पैसा होना चाहिए. So जिन लोगों के पास पैसा नहीं है, उन लोगों को क्या करना चाहिए? वो बिजनेस में आना चाहिए? बिल्कुल नहीं आना चाहिए. Because broke people cannot do business here. Completely broke people cannot do real estate business here. What do I mean by that? Why that investment is required? अगर समझो कि tomorrow if a property has to be shown to somebody, you need to have that much of money to put petrol in your scooter and go to that property and see. I receive very vague, messages sometimes. Sometimes, it is very irritating also. They say, sir, आप ऐसा कीजिए सर, मुझे फोन पे बता दीजिए, आप जो भी ट्रेनिंग करने वाले हैं, आप मुझे फोन पे बता दीजिए. फोन पे क्यों? रिकॉर्डिंग देखो, अगर नहीं आ सकते हो तो. नहीं सर, मेरे पास डेटा नहीं है. डेटा का मतलब इंटरनेट डेटा नहीं है. So that person doesn't have internet data, so he expects me to call his phone and give him the 2 hours lecture that I'm going to give to all of you over the phone itself. तो ऐसे लोग कहाँ से business कर सकते हैं? They won't be able to do business. So this is the mistake that people do. People, why they fail in this business? Because they come with this kind of expectation. सब कुछ मुझे ऐसा करना चाहिए, वैसा करना चाहिए, फ्री में मिलना चाहिए, सब कुछ, right? I don't have to spend money there. I will not spend money. Spend money करना है तो नहीं होता है. Brochure, you have to make 100 calls a day. No, I won't do because it is going to cost me money. Right? You have to make a Facebook advertisement and release an advertisement. नहीं वो नहीं कर सकता हूँ. वो Facebook ad के लिए cost होगा. वो मैं खर्च नहीं करूँगा. अरे भाई, इतने सारे thinking है तुम्हारे mind में, तो business में आए क्यों? You could have gone to a company and then started working where you will get salary. Right? Better go and work under somebody. 10-20 हजार रुपए वो लोग देंगे, जो के कमाओ, salary कमाओ. Why are you getting into this business? Don't come into this business with this kind of expectation. But people make that mistake. Mistake they make, and then they come into this business. That is why they are failing. No experience chalega, no problem. Because so long as they've got learning attitude. If they've got learning attitude, then they can succeed. And they come into the business, they have absolutely no location knowledge. Buyer, he will come and he will purchase a property only when he gets to know that what is this, where is my nearby school kahan hai, nearby hospital kidhar hai, okay, bus stand kidhar hai, Uber and Ola, will it come here or not, right? All that expectations will be there in the minds of the buyer before he puts his money. As an agent, you should have that location knowledge about that. Without location knowledge, they come into this business and want to sell the real estate business. How will they sell? So that is why they fail. No property, no project knowledge. Project knowledge ही नहीं होता है. मतलब कि how many sites are available in that project? Sir, मैं पता करके मैं बताता हूँ आपको. I am not aware, but I will get back to you. Why do you sell that property or that project without having thorough knowledge about the project? So you should get knowledge about that project before even marketing that. That they don't do. And they don't have comparative study because they will say, one buyer will say that, no, वो जो भी मांग रहे हैं वो बहुत महंगा है. I won't be able to pay that much of money. This is too costly. He will say like that. Now, do you have comparative study to prove that what he is saying is wrong? You must be having a comparative study. Sir, इस area में आप देखिए इतने सारे properties available है, सारे property same range में sale हो रहा है. मतलब that is the kind of pricing that everybody is quoting. Have a look at this. Then when they see all that, then if you have the comparative study and if you are able to show it to the buyer will start thinking, अरे यार इसको तो बहुत अच्छा knowledge है, so I can't fool him. So naturally he will be interested in buying property through you because you have very good knowledge. But people don't have this knowledge, they get into this business. When right opportunity comes, they don't take. Now, what is the right opportunity? Today, what you have got, there are 150 people who registered for this program. 56 people are currently staying here. Balance almost close to 100 people. They are not lucky enough. They have not got an opportunity to understand what is this business all about. But you have come here. You are attending this program. You are learning now how this business has to be done, right? This is an opportunity for you. Now, in this opportunity, when it is coming in front of you, they don't take. Tomorrow you will know. Tomorrow when I disclose, right, how many people are ready to do this business, I'll say 50% of the people will just run away, saying that no, मुझे नहीं चाहिए. नहीं, मैं नहीं कर सकता. They will go. You will find. The opportunity has come in front of them, but still they don't want to grab it. Like that, real estate agents also, when they get an opportunity, they will miss out. What is the opportunity? For example, this is a project where I'm staying. It costs about nearly 3 crores. Okay. If you sell one flat, it will give you 8 lakhs. Okay, it will give you 8 lakhs. Now, to get this 8 lakhs brokerage, to sell this property, you need excellent knowledge in terms of identifying who could be the people who can purchase this property. Who are the people? The people who drives BMW, the people who drives Mercedes-Benz are the kind of people who can purchase this property. Now you need to identify these people. And there is a technique to identify these people. They are all available in the marketplace. You can always get them, right? Provided you know how to find out, how to find these people. Where are they available, right? That's the training that you need to undergo. That's the training that we give, okay? That how do you find these people? Where do you find these people? When you find these people, how do you deal with them? What kind of messages you should send them? How you should communicate with them? How you should be dressed up in meeting these people? But unfortunately, you will see in the real estate industry, a person will be talking about 300 crore joint venture project, okay, with a BD in his mouth and a Hawaii chapel in his foot, in a tea stall. 2 people will be talking. अरे यार ये डील हो गया तो ना मेरा लाइफ जिंदगी सेट हो जाएगा. बिल्कुल सेट हो जाएगा. But are you really capable of dealing with 300 crore property? When you don't have that, then you should equip yourself. Okay, as an independent person, it is very, very difficult to deal with a 300 crore property and with the kind of attitude that you have. So if you have a learning attitude, if you are adapting yourself to a branded training where, there is a brand which is there, people go for branding, who will deal with, any broking company for a value of 300 crores and above. Do you think a Sridhar property, if I have Sridhar property, do you think they will come and deal with Sridhar 300 crores? But if I say that I'm representing Remax, which is a world-known organization, 8,000 offices, 135,000 agents, and this is a company which is large enough, which is the largest seller in the world, real estate seller in the world. Okay, if you say that, then they will come, they will deal with you. Okay, so these are some of the mistakes that they have been doing and still continue to doing, and they will still be doing it in future also, because many people don't know. And there are more than 1 lakh agents, what 1 lakh? More than about 10-15 lakh agents in this country who are unorganized. If you go to RERA and see, the registered real estate agents are very minimum, maybe around 35-40,000 people. That's all. They are all registered. Registered means they have paid license fee and they have acquired that license. License fee in different cities are different. 25,000 in Bangalore, 10,000 in places like smaller cities and all that. 15,000 somewhere. So 25,000 is the ballpark money. This money they have to pay and then take the license. They don't pay that money. Okay. Of course, when supposing you associate with Remax, our brand, then it is not required. That RERA license is not required because we are already RERA acquired, company. That's a different point. But without these kind of things, they want to do business. That is why they are failing. Now you understood. I'm talking about 10 lakh unorganized agents who are available in the market, and you see only 35,000 people, registered in RERA. So that is a clear indication of why 85% and above people are failing. That's a very clear indication. This itself, this statistics which I'm giving you is a very clear fact of the matter. Fine. So let's stop for some time here. and then take views from people that what do you say. Oh, Mr. Rakesh, I want to, I'll make you co-host. I forgot to make you co-host. 1 second. Yeah, I made you co-host. You wanted to say something?
या श्रीधर जी
Yeah.
कई लोग यहाँ पे हिंदी में सुनना चाहते हैं, वो मैं आपको कहना चाह रहा था।
अच्छा, हिंदी में, ज्यादा हिंदी में बात
हाँ
करना है। अच्छा,
हाँ,
चैट
काफी
बॉक्स में वो
रिक्वेस्ट आ रही
मैसेज है
थी।
क्या?
जी जी जी, मैसेजेस भी आ रहे हैं, तो
हाँ,
उनके बेनिफिट के लिए हम
हिंदी में,
लोग
हिंदी में।
हिंदी इंग्लिश दोनों में बात करें तो अच्छा है।
ठीक है, मैं हिंदी में बात करने की कोशिश करूंगा। हाउ लेट मी सी हाउ मेनी पीपल डोंट अंडरस्टैंड हिंदी. Don't understand Hindi. You just say IDN. I don't understand. मतलब IDN मतलब 50-50. हाँ, और कोई किसी को हिंदी मालूम नहीं है, ऐसा कुछ है? ऐसा कोई है? हिंदी बिल्कुल नहीं मालूम सर। अगर आप हिंदी में बात करेंगे तो मुझे कुछ भी नहीं समझेगा, समझ में नहीं आएगा। कोई है ऐसा? कोई भी नहीं है। वेरी गुड, देन मैं हिंदी में बात करूंगा फिर। बट एक प्रॉब्लम है, मेरा हिंदी थोड़ा टूटा फूटा रहेगा, ग्रामेटिकल मिस्टेक्स बहुत रहेगा। मैं की को का बोलूंगा, का को की बोलूंगा, ओके। लेकिन आप बेयर करना पड़ेगा, वो सब चलेगा। सो बहुत सारे लोग बोल रहे हैं कि बोथ, दोनों इंग्लिश और हिंदी चलेगा। और अभिषेक मिश्रा बोल रहे हैं कि चलेगा सर, मेरा हिंदी थोड़ा टूटा फूटा रहेगा, मैं पहले बता दिया, ठीक है। ये मत सोचना कि अरे यार मुझे तो वो ऐसे सिंगुलर में बात कर रहे हैं। मैं आप बोलना चाहता हूं, बट मुंह से कभी कभी तू निकलेगा। अगर तू निकल गया तो बुरा मत मानना, ओके। मैं नहीं बोलूंगा, बट मुझे शायद इतना तो तमीज है, बट फिर भी कभी कभी, बिकॉज मैं ज्यादा इंग्लिश में बात करके प्रैक्टिस हो गया हूँ, फिर साउथ में रहता हूँ, और मेरा हिंदी थोड़ा एक्सेंट भी ऐसा ही रहेगा, ओके। चलेगा ना
सर? इंग्लिश इंग्लिश
इंग्लिश?
इंग्लिश
व्हाट इज इट? तंग्लिश?
इंग्लिश इंग्लिश, हिंदी हिंदी प्लस इंग्लिश
हिंदी, अच्छा, हिंदी प्लस इंग्लिश,
इज
हिंग्लिश।
कॉल्ड इंग्लिश।
इंग्लिश, ठीक है। हाँ ठीक है। अभी अभी मैं जो भी बताया अभी तक समझ में आया कि नहीं लोगों को? तो क्या क्या मैंने ठीक ठीक कहा कि नहीं? अभी तक मैंने जो भी कहा, रियल एस्टेट एजेंट्स क्यों फेल होते हैं, तो समझ में आया आपको? आप लोगों को आ गया है? ठीक है। अभी अगला क्या करेंगे? अगला कदम क्या है? अभी आपको अगर बिजनेस करना है तो कैसे करना है, रियल एस्टेट बिजनेस अगर करना है तो कैसे करना है? सिंपल। मुझे मेरे एक सवाल का जवाब दे दीजिए। इस ग्रुप में किसको कंप्यूटर स्किल्स नहीं है? मतलब एकदम मुझे कुछ भी नहीं मालूम कंप्यूटर में, मुझे अगर एक्सेल शीट ओपन करना है तो मुझे मालूम नहीं, मुझे कंप्यूटर ऑन करके कुछ टाइप करके कुछ ईमेल भेजना है तो मुझे मालूम नहीं, ऐसा कोई है? तो हाथ उठाइए, नहीं तो यू कैन जस्ट से सर आई डोंट नो, IDN। कोई है सर? चैट बॉक्स में मैसेज आ रहा है। तो मतलब इसका मतलब सबको कंप्यूटर स्किल्स मालूम है, राइट? वेरी गुड। अगर मैंने किसी का देखा, मतलब IDN देखा होता, तो मैं उसको मैं ये एडवाइस हाथ छोड़ के मैं एडवाइस करने वाला था कि आप बिजनेस में मत घुसो। बिकॉज अगर 2020 में, इन द ईयर 2020, अगर उस 2020 ईयर में अगर आपको कंप्यूटर नॉलेज नहीं है तो आप आउट ऑफ द बिजनेस ऑलरेडी। आप बिजनेस नहीं कर सकते हैं, हाँ या नहीं? अगर कंप्यूटर नॉलेज नहीं है तो आप बिजनेस नहीं कर सकते, हाँ या नहीं? जवाब क्यों नहीं देते सर? जवाब दे दो। हाँ ट्रू, करेक्ट, ये जवाब चाहिए मुझे। तो कंप्यूटर नॉलेज है तो आप one step above, one step good, one step forward, you can do no business. So abhi, to do this business, I will just show you some magic now. You have to do that, you have to experience that. किसी के पास अगर लैपटॉप है मेरे सामने, अगर शेयर करना पड़ेगा उसको, कोई है ऐसा where he is watching this program लैपटॉप में, कोई है? Anybody is there in this group? Everybody has got mobile, I know that, but लैपटॉप में कोई देख रहे हैं मुझे, ये सुन रहे हैं ये ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम, कोई है ऐसा लैपटॉप में या कंप्यूटर में, पीसी में? Is there anyone? I want to see. If there is anyone, I want that person to come in front of me. Everybody is Banu. Banu B, are you in front of laptop? Banu? Banu, are you in front of laptop? Yes, okay. So Banu says, Banu is, I'll just unmute this Banu. Okay, where is that Banu? Banu, 1 minute. Banu, Rakesh ji, can you unmute Banu? Haan.
Yeah, मैं देखता हूँ.
Banu says you are there in front of laptop, but your video is not on. Okay, no issues. Video is not on, chalega, but you should unmute and speak to me now.
Hi, Sridhar.
Banu, you are now ready, right? You are in front of laptop, right?
Yeah, right.
I hope you have got Messenger in your laptop. Messenger.
No.
Facebook Messenger.
Facebook Messenger.
Oh, go. Yeah.
Facebook Messenger is there, right?
Yeah.
Very good. Fine. अभी करना क्या है? I'm going to give you. Rest of the people also should do that in their mobile. Okay, आप मोबाइल में कर सकते हो, but ये जब शेयर करके करेंगे ना, सब लोग देख सकते हैं और आप भी आप करो वो सब अपने मोबाइल पे. What I'm going to tell you now. Okay, now I'm going to give you one link. So I'm going to now post that link in the chat box. Okay. And Mr. Banu, can you please share your screen?
Yeah, just a minute.
Yeah.
Where is the link? Link I have not received.
No, link I'm going to now post it, but you have to share the
Okay.
screen first.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Just a minute.
Yeah. Share the screen. Because a live demo मैं दिखा रहा हूँ सबको, so that you people understand how real estate business can be done digitally. Sitting at the comfort of your home, you can do business. So I'm going to give you a demonstration of that. Yeah, you have shared your screen. Now
Yeah.
I'm going to post this one link, and I want you to, click this link and open. And everybody, please, you also try in your mobile. All of you click this link and open and select yourself as buyer. You select yourself as buyer. You just click that link, what I've given you. Yeah, this is opening now. Yes, continue as Banu. Yes, very good. You are doing very well. Nice. Okay, now you just typically get started is there. Click that get started, down. Get started. Yes. Hi, Bantupalli. Welcome to Remax AS Reality. How can we help you? You say, I want to buy a home. I want to buy a home. No. There is options which is already available.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, there is option which is available. Buy a home. Yeah. Would you like to get a free buyer's guide? You say yes. Okay. That's great. What's your full name? Sir, आपका नाम लिखिए. Okay, so you say, is this the best email ID? Banud_24@yahoo.com. You click that. You keep answering that. Hello. Come to flat number 1, 1504. Flat number 1. Yeah. Yeah. Type your city name, sir. Yes. Do you need our services to? Yes. Where do you want to own a property? You can write which city you are from. Hyderabad. Yes. Are you looking for? What are you looking for? Flat. How soon you want to own the property? 4 months? Yeah. At what price? What is your budget? Yes, you say yes. Great, thank you so much. Here is the buyer's guide for you. Please download. Now it is going to come. Now you download that. That's it. Click back to main menu.
Okay, this one I need to download.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, now kindly stop the screen.
Okay.
Yeah, stop the screen.
Stop.
You stopped. Now tell me, how was your experience?
Yeah, it's good, Sridhar.
It was nice, you know? Automatically
Yeah.
everything was happening.
Yeah, going in the right direction, you can say.
How many others have you all tried? Rest of the people, have you all tried this? Deep Singh tried, Ram tried, Prem tried, Abhishek Mishra tried watching. Okay. Abhishek Mishra is trying. Okay. Srinivas Kumar, it's so much easy like chat. But do you know that you have come to my messenger? I am talking to you, but it is happening on its own. System. This is called system. Okay, now I'm going to give you one more example. Okay, now I'm going to give you one link. Okay, now I have given you one link. Okay, kindly click this link. It will ask you for 4 things: your name, your city, your mobile number, your email ID. That's all. You just put those 4 names, 4 things, and submit. And submit, and you see the magic happening after that. All of you just do this, every one of you. There are about 55 people now. All the 55 people, please do this. And whoever has done it, please come and say that you have done it here in the chat box. The Sudhakar Verma. Sudhakar Verma. Sudhakar Verma. Get Gaila, he is my BA. Yeah. Done. Okay, done. So many people done. Mr. Srinivas Kumar, everybody who has done it, kindly go to your mail ID and you see if any mail has come to you. Okay, Naimatullah, please go. Carry on. No problem. Tomorrow we'll meet up. So whoever has signed up, now please go and check your mail ID and see any mail has come from me. Remax Ace Reality. If you have received, you say that received, mail received. You would have received one mail automatically. Yogesh Kumar has received. Srinivas has received. Abdul Kalam, you have received. Abhishek has received. I'm sure all the people will receive. Santosh, please check your junk box, spam folder. Everybody has received mail. Santosh, if you have not received, there could be two reasons. One, it could have either gone to junk spam folder or you would have given wrong email ID. One of these two things only. Otherwise, there is no chance that you will not receive it. It will be there in the mailbox. Everybody has got it. You can see in the chat box that everybody says, I've got it. Great. Now the point here is, now that you have seen everything, point here that I want to tell you is that how automatically it has come to you. Now what is this going to do in real estate business now? Imagine a situation. Now you are there, you have a property, you have property in hand, you need a buyer, right? I am going to give you a system wherein this system, through this system, you will receive calls to your phone, to your mobile box, to your mobile, you will receive call. A buyer will call you and tell you, sir, I need property. मैंने आपका property देखा, मुझे अच्छा लगा. So can you give me more details? If you are in this kind of a situation, अगर आप इस situation में रहते हो, जो customer आपको call करेगा और आपसे property के बारे में details पूछेगा, तो इस condition में अगर आप रहेंगे, तो अच्छा लगेगा कि नहीं आपको? आपको खुद कॉल करने का जरूरत नहीं, आपको कॉल करने का जरूरत नहीं. आप कॉल करेंगे तो वो क्या करेंगे? वो पूछना शुरू करेंगे, कहाँ है प्रॉपर्टी, किधर है, क्या बजट है, वो बहुत महंगा है, हमसे नहीं होता है, ऐसा कुछ जवाब मिलेगा आपको. अगर वो खुद आपको फोन करेंगे तो अच्छा रहेगा ना. यही सिस्टम मैं आपको सिखाने वाला हूं. ये सिस्टम अगर आ गया तो इस सिस्टम में अगर आप बिजनेस करोगे तो आप सोचो आपको खाली क्या करना है, कस्टमर को इंटरेक्शन करके, ओके, ये सब सारी चीज इंटरेक्शन सब होना चाहिए और प्रॉपर्टी दिखाना चाहिए, क्लोज करना चाहिए. बाकी सब जो भी चाहिए, जैसे कि उसको प्रॉपर्टी का डिटेल्स चाहिए, प्रॉपर्टी डिटेल्स अगर ऑटोमेटिकली ईमेल में चले जाता है तो आपको प्रॉब्लम नहीं है ना. आपको खुद बैठ के उसके सामने, कंप्यूटर के सामने बैठ के ये सब, अच्छा इस कस्टमर को मुझे आज भेजना है, कल 20 कस्टमर को भेजना है, परसों 30 कस्टमर को भेजना है, ये सब बैठ के करने से बेटर है या एक बार आप करने के बाद वो ऑटोमेटिकली उनको जाने से अच्छा लगेगा. मतलब अगर समझो कि 100-200 लोगों को एक ही शॉट, अभी ऐसा मेल चला गया, प्रॉपर्टी डिटेल्स चला गया, वो 100-200 लोग देखने के बाद उसमें से 10-20 लोग अगर आपको खुद कॉल करेंगे, ठीक है, कितना बढ़िया रहेगा, है कि नहीं? तो यही बिजनेस आपको करना है. दिस इज कॉल्ड डिजिटल वर्ल्ड. दिस इज कॉल्ड डिजिटल रियल एस्टेट एक्सपर्ट. आपको रियल एस्टेट एक्सपर्ट बनने के लिए आपको सीखना पड़ेगा. ये सब करेंगे कैसे, ये सब हम लोग करेंगे कैसे, तो यही हम लोग सिखाने वाले. कल और भी इंटरेस्टिंग होगा. अभी टाइम हो गया है 1 hour. So tomorrow I am going to take it for about nearly 1.5 hours. Be prepared to be there for up to 1 o'clock. आज किसी को नमाज के लिए जाना है, ये सब है, ठीक है. So now I am going to wind up. So please come tomorrow at 11:15 and we will continue this digital real estate world business. How we can do tomorrow. I'm going to show you about digital visiting card कैसे बनाना है, digital virtual property link कैसे बनाना है, कैसे दिखेगा वो सब, प्रॉपर्टी कैसे शेयर करेंगे उन लोगों को, ये सब मैं कल सिखाने वाला हूँ, कल बोलने वाला हूँ। और उसके साथ साथ one person, I will give a live demonstration of how you can earn 3 lakhs in the next 90 days time. बढ़िया, प्लान बहुत बढ़िया, एक्साइटिंग। कल ये लाइव डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन होगा, जैसे मैंने अभी भानु प्रताप के साथ किया, वैसे मैं क्या करने वाला हूं, किसी को बुलाने वाला हूं और पूछने वाला हूं, तो मेरे सामने बैठ के अभी हम सब लोगों के सामने 3 लाख का प्लानिंग मैं करके दिखाऊंगा आपको। 3 महीने में 3 लाख आप कमा सकते हो, ठीक है? दिस इज व्हाट इज गोइंग टू हैपन टुमारो। ऑल ऑफ यू कम प्रिपेयर्ड एट 11:15 itself, right? See you tomorrow. If you have any questions to ask, you can ask me. 5-10 minutes, I am okay to be here. Otherwise, you can just mention here what was the key takeaway. Huh? Just ask him to be seated in the sofa. Welcome. Otherwise, just tell me what is your key takeaway for today. How was the program today? Did you like it? Digital is next revolution. Absolutely right. Thank you very much. It's a great session. Awesome. Very good. Nice. Thank you so much, friends. See you tomorrow at 11:15 sharp. Bye-bye.